Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Chavez and today I'll be talking about our investigation to plate tectonics, divergent plate boundaries. So what is a divergent plate boundary? Well, it's where two plates exist but slowly diverge from each other. And so in other words, we know this as tectonic plates shifting. Though plates only move away from each other is due to the boundaries that are held deep within the ocean, otherwise known as divergent zones. So in the example, we can see that we have one plate right here and another one in here that are being slowly pulled apart. And so in the image, we can see that two areas are going opposites of the landmass being pulled apart almost like it's string cheese. And so we call this kind of stress an extension. And the reason why we call this an extension is that it's creating an extension of landmass. So with the features that we see here is often we get more lithosphere born from the magma that is all underneath that lithosphere that we previously had. And so when they pull apart, we often get that hot magma and hot rocks that rise to the surface and they get cooled off over millions of years. And so, due to the Earth being pulled apart, there are questions to be asked. Do we have earthquake activities? Do we have volcanic activities? And it happens, and not only do we see it along the faults of a newly ridged transformation, as we can see here in the real world example, but the reason that this happens, and said time and time again, that these plates are being pulled apart and they don't go at the same speed as each other. So they can always have a different speed, and this can cause various different kinds of earthquakes. And so, going previously on what I said about volcanic activity, we do have that, and that happens alongside the faults and deep and within the ocean.